All right, practice problem 5. Is -1 a solution to the equation? I could solve it, but -1 is a pretty small number, so I'm just going to plug it in instead of having to solve and check, right? So let's just plug in this -1 and see if we get the same number on both sides. Bring down your -13, bring down your 5, bring down your parentheses. Bring down your 1 plus 4, instead of m, we put times -1, minus 2 times -1. Now we start cleaning this up and multiplying. Bring down the -13, bring down the 5. Let's do the multiplication first. So we bring down the 1. 4 times -1 is -4. Minus, actually it's -2 times -1, so I'm going to go ahead and put plus 2. Negative times negative is positive. Bring down this -13, bring down the 5. Simplify the parentheses. 1 minus 4, -3, plus 2. Bring down the -13 again. We multiply first in the order of operation, so 5 times -3 is -15. Bring down the plus 2. Bring down the -13, simplify. -15, positive 2, signs are different, subtract. 15 minus 2 is 13. I have more negatives than positives. Yes, it checks out. So is -1 a solution to the equation? Yes. On the next slide, we explain what happened. Explain your answer. So I know -1 is a solution because when I substituted -1 for, I'll say x. I don't know if that's the right variable. When I substituted -1 for x, I got, what was it, -13 on both sides? I can't go back because it's going to mess up the recording. So I think those numbers are right. So this is how you check your work. You substitute your solution for the variable and you get the same number on both sides. Make sure you type out this full sentence to get practice for how that should sound. A couple of more practice problems and it'll be time for the exit ticket.